Welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to connect Bloom to Axiom 2025 for automated trading and snipping. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open Telegram and find the Bloom bot. Open the Telegram app on your PC or phone. In the search bar, type Bloom bot and select the verified bot. Tap Start to initiate the bot. Step 2 is to connect your wallet to Bloom. The bot will prompt you to connect your wallet. Just simply click on Connect Wallet, then follow the instructions. Copy the provided authentication link and open it in your browser. Sign the transaction to verify ownership. Step 3 is to link Bloom to Axiom. In the Bloom bot chat, type /link Axiom to start the connection process. Enter your Axiom API key when prompted. Confirm the integration by signing the request in your connected wallet. Once linked, you'll see a confirmation message that Bloom is now connected to your Axiom account. Step 4 is to configure trading settings. Type /settings to adjust your default buy amount, slippage, and gas fees. Enable anti-MEV protection for safer transactions. Verify that your Axiom settings match your trading strategy. Step 5 is to automating trades with Axiom. Use /autosnip on to activate automated snipping for new tokens listings. Set up custom alerts with /alerts keyword to monitor trading tokens. Check your portfolio anytime with /portfolio to tracking your trades. And that's it. You've successfully connected Bloom to Axiom. Now you can automate trades and snip tokens with ease. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.